As the initial shock of the earthquake fades, it leaves behind a sense of reflection. People are reminded of the power and unpredictability of nature, and the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. The East Coast, with its rich history and beautiful landscapes, is a place of stability and tradition. Yet this event serves as a reminder that even here, the Earth is alive and ever-changing. So as we go about our daily lives, let's take a moment to appreciate the ground beneath our feet. It's a foundation we often take for granted, but it's also a dynamic and ever-changing part of our world. The next time you feel a tremor, remember that it's a reminder of the Earth's incredible power and beauty. Stay curious, stay prepared, and always be ready to embrace the unexpected. After all, the East Coast has its own unique charm and surprises.